Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Solution. This is episode 14 of our Excel Beginner to Advanced series. In our last two episodes, we learned pivot tables and pivot charts. What today? It is time to put everything together and create something truly powerful, a professional Excel dashboard. And remember, the complete series playlist is in the descriptions and pin comment. Watch it from the start to master Excel step by step. Part 1. What is a dashboard? An Excel dashboard is a one-page report that brings together charts, summarize and interactive filters all in one place. It is designed for decision making. Instead of scrolling through hundreds of rows, you get instant insights. Part 2. Preparing the data. Before building a dashboard, make sure your data is clean, no empty rows or errors, well structured, columns have proper headers, organized, dates, sales, product, extra are formatted correctly. Remember, a dashboard is only as good as the data behind it. Part 3. Building the dashboard step by step. Step 1. Create pivot tables. Sales by region, sales by product, monthly sales trend. Step 2. Insert pivot charts. Column chart for region performance, pie chart for product contribution, line chart for monthly sales trend. Step 3. Add slicer. Insert slicer for year, region or product. Connect them to all pivot tables. Report connections. Now your dashboard becomes interactive. Part 4. Designing the dashboard. This is where presentations matters. Design tips. Use a separate worksheet for the dashboard. Arrange charts in a clean grid layout. Add background shapes or headers for sections. Use consistent colors, like one theme per category. Keep enough white space so it looks professional. Remember, clarity beats complexity. Our dashboard should be simple but powerful. Part 5. Live example. Let's say a manager asks, which region performed best this quarter? Which product brings the most revenue? What is the monthly sales trend? With this dashboard, they can answer all three questions in seconds. No formula, no scrolling, just insights. Part 6. Exporting and sharing. Once your dashboard is ready, save it as Excel file for interactivity or export as PDF for a professional report. You can even present it directly in meeting. This is why dashboards are so valuable. They turn raw data into clear stories. So in this episode, we combined pivot tables, pivot charts and slicer to build a professional Excel dashboard. In episode 15, we will step into advanced Excel formulas and functions that take dashboard and reporting to the next level, including dynamic formulas, if with multiple condition and more. Don't forget, the full beginner to advanced Excel playlist is in the descriptions and pin comment. If this video inspired you, hit like, subscribe to Data Solution and press the bell icon so you never miss the next episode. See you in episode 15.